Another car done. It's a Corvette we just did today. I didn't do it, but the other guy did it, my buddy. Came out pretty nice. This was just, we sanded it all down, 2K primed it and all that. But it looks good. Jams and everything. Just needs a little wet sand buff and done. Not much though. There are Corvettes everywhere lately. Another one we did out here. It's all factory. We did it the factory colors. Not crazy about the color, but it's what the guy wanted. That was factory. The whole interior and everything too on his new seats. Dyed the carpet. Came out nice. Old stripe work and everything. I got another project out there. I'll show you guys some working on. Getting ready to do this. I'm using a U-Pulse primer, like it's the feather fill, basically polyester. Never used it before. We'll see how it turns out. Pretty much gonna feather fill the whole thing, and then he's gonna block that down and finish off whatever body work needs to get done and reprime it. Should turn out nice though. He's pretty much stripped everything off this thing. Not sure of the year, but should turn out pretty sweet. Later guys, I'll do another video later of this all primed and everything.